Adrian Wooldridge documented the fact that the alternative to meritocracy historically is nepotism and dynasty.
Absolutely.
It's not equity.
It's not equity. Correct.
It's nepotism and dynasty.
Exactly.
Right. So
Exactly.
that's very much worth knowing. Okay.
Yes,
So meritocracy has its price because it's a severe judge, but the alternative is nepotism and aristocracy. So, or dynasty. Okay.
Yeah. Do you yourself, personally have any bottom lines? Things you just could not do? Even if your party could do them, is there things that you're like, nope?
Mokopuna are my life, both work and personal, and our whole strategy works on our Mokopuna decisions. So that would be something that I would work to the end, that they are in our arms and in our hands. We're even catching them when they're born, and we're growing them when they're here. Yeah. So Mokopuna is the priority for me, and building a future that then they could just pick up and go, we're good to go.
That the idea of meritocracy is under assault now. I think the idea of merit per se is under assault. And what Wooldridge has done was look at how societies were structured in the absence of the meritocratic ethos. And so that's in the absence of a belief that there is such a thing as productive competence. And he talked about nepotism, which, by the way, psychopaths practice nepotism. They're not only selfish, they do differentially benefit their immediate kin. And hereditary aristocracy. So if you don't have meritocracy, and if your hierarchies aren't predicated on competence, you don't get a non-competitive utopia.
No, not at all.
Yeah, exactly. You get nepotism and this political infighting. And that is, it's no wonder that affected you, because that's absolutely toxic. It's just sickening.